Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kinori siar kejala kemudian hapok Kshatri Jong Kamigilai Poultry and Farmers and Welfare Association hakar penyutruk leber aratar pausan. Gila banyak kendu yang Menteri Kesorkar Jelau berkemi ketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Pak Alexander Elhek bandawa berketenan kedeban tek lakam ya jingwan rak ya kesiar ke bar ke jela namar ke jing sar ke jing pang klam siar ke bajur cekwe par ke jela jong keri India. Presiden ke Association Ubak Daminat Seliang Berujian Sekretari Ubak William Ding Do Haga jing keren berkilat petai kubor Kriat hu Ubak Menteri Kesorkar Jela Lepentip berketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Kelaraban Tahun dekat Task Force Kawan berkengi ke jingwan ra ya kisiar nabar ke Jela Berpit ngor kamtam haki entry point Niki kerdap urung syaga Jela Meghalaya Na bernihat Jirang, Maulasnai, Berumkiang, Kenang Banyada, Gijing Sapriang, Gijing Pangklam, Jong Kisiar, Kebuketapat, Ya Kamai Kaji, Jong Nauri Siar, Negara Kejelam, Meghalaya.
Kabidi bat klei lengba ki social media, ya ka jingmi jongi sya surok nakabenta ban yada kabidi bat keneka kam kaba ngingi jutrai. Amarku mengitip himenta ki babun na ki state apok ka ri ke jongi kadon keneka bat flu kedeka jingpang klams ya jala kumno ki babun hi ki state kila dep ban khang ya ka jingwan rung ki banasha ki we ki jela ya ka jing temu ke jongi ru hakene ka por kalong ban kerpat saka sorkar bakata ka jingpang kanemuan apok ka jela ka jongi nang ba ki nongrep jongi kinom dunam barajur ka por ki nong bam doru ki niok ban bam ya kadok ka ba kisiar ki ba khoj ki bompang ki ba koj ki ba khia dekatah ki jing temu
kala perkhat ban bo na da district task force and kata ka ban head ka ban direct na po ka nakatnap jong ka Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department ka ban yada yangi nakani klam jing pang ka bala wan na shawai pat ka jaga but ban pen shong sngan yangi kinong ri but yakinong bam ru yakani ka dosya ti namar ba kani kalong ka ek badai ka baja shawai Henry bakan wan chani support snong jungi kalong ka ek ba ngim snow ting but ngi snow skier but ngi i pare baka sorkar kala asim khia ka ni ka jingla ka baka ni ka jing ka ka jungi ti ngatrai kum bakalong hi kani kala long with immediate implementation baka ka kum ka jing ya shong meeting ni tika ong makan constitute woodwood kan implement woodwood te ngi kerpat ngi expect baka ni implementation jong kar kan long belong immediate but ngi kermen ba ngi i ka but ngi ya ka effect jong ka hapo kan ki entry gate ko belong nila batai ru ba kidan ki neki we jaka ki bala bandrum ka namar baka jaka jong ka long poras ki jaka ki bala bandung na sipo umkiang ki na sipo jirang na ina lemar balada dan becek nang ni na po pernihat hendrai ki jaka per kilat lan ti ya kituru kila semkhia bat kin sa pet ke bala belle ti nang ni sekmat ngilong ni kermen bagi baka ong ka sorkar bakan pun long bakan penwando long te kadai na po bernihat hendrai ki badai sipo ki jakaru ki ba kenthop ya ka jirang ya ka umsiang ya ka maulasnai ti kidon ki list bangila ai la submit ru ka sorkar ti kala kan examine but lada haba kala menjur bukan kan bu da task force but ngi kermen ba nang ni sakmat kan kam long ka ba song ya ka task force kum bakilong menta ki ong bakan head kan sa notify ka government menta tingin padi ya ka notification mereka notify na menta tekan nakaliang ka jong principal secretary ila simkhia kan te ngi kermen bakan kan long kam ka ba songkhia te kermen ru ba ke ba kila menjur bat penlong kam kan sai so kata ka de ke basisha Andre ki orders pere kila adon lupa ki barim. But ki copies jong ki order kila adon lupa ki ba hab bandan ki kot kisla ki certificate of origin. Kum mengitip ba ki ki barum hi shani kin hab bandan ni ki certificate of origin ki wan na ka ba certified da ka to ka state. Da ka department ayu ka ba certified. Kila test ayu hang tu. To ka bat hang ni ru ki bawanra ki hab ban penbut ki kendon jong ka an ku ba pher kum ka Motor Vehicles Act, kum ka Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Transportation of Livestock Rules. Kita ki an kala adon lupa ti kala singan lupa la dan ni implement ya kata ni la so tho ba ke ka bawan rung sangi hi kala long ke ba hut ka ba suba ba ka ba ka ba lat kini ki ba ngim so tana bani i ba kala long no kum ka ta ka ba ki kwa ban pelong kum ka dumping area bakin dump ki birds ki bala bam smo ya ha ban bu saka yoga hat.
It was a very constructive meeting, very positive. I'm very happy. So they have aired a few grievances like the grievances about fixing the prices. They said that we cannot fix the prices. How will we fix the prices? Suppose one farmer are selling within the state only. I'm not talking about now from outside the state. I will tell you later outside the state also. But now if the farmers are from within the state, if they are selling for 200 rupees per kg, the other farmers from within the state, they are selling at 180 per kg, how I will tell people to buy for 200 rupees per kg? So this is up to the wish of the people. If you want to buy 200 rupees per kg or you want to buy for 180 per kg, it is up to them, but we cannot because this is no fixed rate on those materials. You cannot make the fixing the price. The fixing price is not in our view. Also, they have already explained and also given everything to the farmers, poultry farmers association that has happened on 2019-20, not recently. If it has happened recently, definitely if it had come to the notice of the government or notice of the department, the department will not keep quiet. They will take actions on this kind of diseases coming from outside to the state of Meghalaya. No, now only that suggestions has come. The suggestions has come that is good to constitute the task force. The government only will constitute, the veterinary department will constitute, but they also requested to be co-opted, the one member to be co-opted from the farmer association. I said we are welcome. We co-opted them also to get more suggestion, to get more, the whatever the problem that they are facing, they can be bring to the task force only.